ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 39, Using Editing and Deleting Scenarios. Once a set of scenarios have been created, they can be viewed by selecting the required scenario from the list. Scenarios can also be edited and deleted using the Scenario Manager dialog box. The workbook scenario should still be open from the last lesson. If not, open it. Display the Scenario Manager from the What If Analysis drop-down. So make sure you're on Data, What If Analysis, and then Scenario Manager. The 4 created scenarios are displayed in the list. The scenario Guess 2 is not wanted, so to delete it, click on Guess 2 and then click the Delete button. The Guess scenario is now removed. Select Best, then select Show. The values and the solution for the best scenario are now displayed. Note that most of the ingredients are used. Make a mental note of the total profit. So that's £2,329.74. Show the Guess scenario. So Guess and then Show. Note the total profit now. It's only £1,476.90. Select the worst scenario. Click Edit and then OK. The worst scenario can now be changed. Change the values so that they are all 50. And then click OK. Click Show to view the results. So now we're showing a total profit of £670.50. And then close the Scenario Manager dialog box. OK, save the workbook using the same name and then leave it open. OK, that's the end of Lesson 39. I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be discussing Scenario Summary Reports. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.